So I just shut down my KuCoin trading bot. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. So in today's video I will talk about why I closed the bot down. Will I be opening up another trading bot? How much money I made? What I learned in the process? And a ton of other information. So if you are looking to test out the KuCoin trading bot, make sure you watch this video all the way through. And before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you want to try out this trading bot yourself, check out the KuCoin link in the description box below. And now let's talk about it. So as you guys know, over a month ago, I invested $5,000 into the KuCoin trading bot. At the time, I never used the bot before and it was my first time using it. So when I was creating the bot on the KuCoin exchange, I simply used the parameters that the exchange suggested. And I did not tweak the bot in any single way. I simply picked KuCoin/US Tether in order to trade and make some money. So after investing my initial $5,000 into the trading bot, I simply set the bot and I forgot about it. Every couple of days I will check it to see how it's performing, but being completely honest, the first week of the bot running, I didn't see major results. It had days where it was making money, days where it was losing money. So the first week I was definitely not impressed. So then I decided that I will let the trading bot go for over 30 days. Being completely honest, having the bot for a day or two is not going to give you these magical results. It is simply not enough time for the bot to do its job of buying and selling on every dip and every pump. So the longer the bot runs, the better in my opinion. And now let's look at some results that I have received from this trading bot. Alright, so as you can see, I had the trading bot running for 33 days, 14 hours, and 57 minutes. So far in the last 24 hours, the robot has done 66 arbitrages. This simply means it has done 66 trades. And over the last 33 days of this bot running, it has done 1,362 trades, which is absolutely insane. Also, my initial investment was $5,045. And the total return was $978.19, which is pretty good in my opinion because the bot did all the work for me. And the price range that the trading bot used was between $4.06 and $6.11. And as you can see right now, the price of KuCoin is $6.24. So it is way above the initial parameters of the trading bot. And as you can see, when I closed down the bot, my initial investment went from $5,045 to $6,023.78. A total return of 22.67%. which is pretty sweet in my opinion. And as you can see, over the last 7 days, the bot has done really well. And for all the people wondering what were my parameters on this trading bot, check them out right there. Those are the exact parameters that I use with this trading bot. It is simply the parameters that the exchange suggested. I did not change anything whatsoever. So those are the exact parameters I used. And when I closed the trading bot down, I had 60 buy orders open and 0 sell orders. This is pretty much how the trading bot makes money. It buys low and it sells high. So now you're probably wondering, why in the world did you close the trading bot down if it was making you good, consistent profits? Being completely honest, the main reason that I closed the trading bot down was because the price of KuCoin went above my parameters. As you saw in the previous screenshot, I was trading KuCoin between $4.06 all the way up to $6.11. But KuCoin kept rising, and over the last couple of days, the price of KuCoin just kept going higher and higher and higher, and eventually it went above my parameters. Once the bot goes over the parameters, the bot pretty much doesn't do much. It did put out the buy orders, but if the price does not drop, then the robot will simply just sit there and do absolutely nothing. So that is why I closed the robot down. My initial plan was to keep this robot running as long as possible, probably 6 months to a year. That way I can really test it out and get the best results possible. In my opinion, it will be pointless to keep the robot running, especially when my parameters are way below the current price of KuCoin. So I thought it would be best if I close the robot down and then use the money to open up more bots in different pairs and hopefully pick better parameters to make even more money. That is my plan going forward. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for those videos where I open even more trading bots with different amounts, different pairs, and different parameters. So now you're probably wondering, is the KuCoin trading bot worth it? Do you recommend it? And what have I learned so far? Personally, I definitely recommend it and I think it's worth it. It is a great way to make some extra money for doing absolutely nothing. Letting the bot trade for you, buying low, selling high, and making you small amounts of money on every single trade. So if you're not a professional trader and you do not want to sit in front of a screen all day long buying and selling coins, trading, none of that stuff, you can simply open one of these bots, pick your trading pair that you like. You can do Bitcoin, USD, Ethereum / Bitcoin. They have a ton of pairs to choose from. And then you can simply let the bot trade for you and make you money while you sleep. It trades 24/7. And here are some of the things that I have learned in the last 33 days of this trading bot running. First off, patience is key. You're not going to see massive gains in a day or two. The longer the robot runs, the more trades it can make and the more money it can make you. The second thing I learned, pick the pairs that are volatile. If you pick coins that are not moving a lot, they're pretty much staying flat, the robot will be very slow to make profits. But if the pair that you are picking is volatile, it is constantly going up and down, then the trading bot is going to buy low, sell high, and make you more profits. So volatility is key. Also, one other thing to keep in mind, make sure to have a plan and make sure to set goals for your trading bot. Parameters are very, very important. My goal was to keep this robot running as long as possible, but after 33 days, the price went above my parameters. So I decided to close it down. And when you are picking your trading pair, make sure to set the correct parameters. If you are picking a coin to trade that has a ton of potential and you believe that it is going to skyrocket in about 30 days, make sure to set the parameters correctly. That way you do not have to close the bot down if it starts pumping. Make sure to set the correct parameters. Also, if you are brand new to the KuCoin exchange, but you are very interested in trying out the trading bot, you do not have to invest $5,000. Start small, invest $100 in this bot, $200 in the next one, see the results, see what kind of money you are making before you invest large amounts of money. But keep in mind, the less you invest, the smaller the results are going to be. Alright everybody, that concludes this quick video on the KuCoin trading bot. I will definitely be opening up more trading bots with different pairs in order to make money. And hopefully I set the correct parameters where I can leave the bot running for a very long time in order to make the most profits possible. So make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions whatsoever, do not hesitate to drop them in the comment section below. Also, if you have been using the KuCoin trading bot, let me know in the comment section below what kind of results you're getting and what pairs are you trading. And as always, do your own research and only risk money that you are willing to lose. And see you in the next video. Peace out.